In this video, I will show you how you can call or FaceTime people from your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and after that, just tap on Apps. And from this app list, just look for the FaceTime app. Then tap on it. From here, just make sure you enable the toggle for FaceTime. After that, under You can be reached by FaceTime at, just enter your Apple ID in this section. And after you've done that, now you're able to FaceTime or call anyone from your iPad. Now you can either open the FaceTime app. Now if you're using FaceTime for the first time, it will ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID to set it up. And after you do that, then you will be able to perform a FaceTime video call from here, just like that. Or you can do a FaceTime video or audio call from the Contacts app. Just open the Contacts app, and from here just enter the contact number which you want to call. After you do that, now you will be able to do a FaceTime video call or a FaceTime audio call on your iPad, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.